How do you make Assida or Fufu? Add salt and oil to hot water. Add flour to water in a container and then add the mixture to hot water and stir constantly until form a thick consistency. We call it madida. Once madida is formed, then add the dry flour gradually while stirring in at the same time. Avoid any lumps. Add more flour according to consistency required. Stir well until all the flour is combined, no more dry flour visible. Add the rest of the flour and combines it in well. Leave to cook for a few minutes. Assida or Fufu is ready. Enjoy with your favorite stews. بالهنا والشفا. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.